Hello, Velvet.
Yes?
I need your help.
Squad, this is the Velvetlox coming at you with another wonderful video for you today. Now, I'm going to show you how you can boost your metabolism, build up your immune system, and to also level your blood sugar levels, as well as your high blood pressure, okay? Now, this is a tea that you can make 3 times for the day, and it's also good for weight loss. So, yes, you guys, if you consume this drink every single day, at least 3 times a day, you will be ready for the season that's coming. So we have to boost our immune system. So we're going to start off with the simple ingredients for this powerful tea. We're going to be using 2 cloves. The garlic is very powerful for the immune system. It's an antioxidant. It is wonderful for lowering your blood pressure. Right now I got some water boiling on the stove. I'm just going to crush my garlic just so that I can get all the juices and extracts from it. Okay, I'm going to use 1/4 of ground cinnamon. Okay, now you can use either lemons or limes for this. Either one is fine. Alright, and you're also going to need some honey to sweeten it, if you choose to sweeten it with honey. Now that our water is finished boiling, just going to pour that in your cup. And then what you need to do is get a cover for your teacup and just cover it and let it steep for at least 10 minutes. Okay, so 10 minutes later, and your tea is nice and steeped. Next, I'm going to juice the half of lemon. Okay, and lastly, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of my honey to sweeten. Okay, so you mix that well, and you have a wonderful, powerful weight loss tea that's going to boost your immune system, get it going. It's also going to boost your metabolism. Your body is burning off calories, is burning off fat. In other words, this is for weight loss. You will be losing weight. So that's it, you guys. Another awesome way that you can make your cinnamon tea, and it's more powerful, more potent, has more antioxidants, has more boost for your body, and it tastes good because the cinnamon and honey, as well as the lemon, takes away from that garlic smell and that garlic taste. You will not taste it at all. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me on this simple video where you can lose weight drinking this, as well as boost your immune system up, get it ready for this cold season. Also to lower your blood pressure and your insulin levels. This tea is going to do it all for you, okay? So thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. If they're also suffering from high blood pressure, this is a wonderful tea for them to drink every day, okay? And check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where I will be uploading videos regarding hair care, skin care, fashion hauls, and family challenges, okay? And until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel. And this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.